Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to go over ICERIVER one more time. AE0 and AE1, it's a Leo miners. So AE1 is still sold out, AE11 ICERIVER, but a Leo AE0 looks like back in stock here on ICERIVER.io website. So let's take a look real quick. What's the hash rate that I know for those two miners? So we're gonna go and just type ICE here. So we'll get the latest. So it looks like the AE1 Lite is the most profitable at the top of the list. Obviously the power consumption, it's only 500 watts versus this one is 100 watts, but if you get 5 of these, technically you should be pretty close to that, but not sure why not, because it should be a similar power consumption. I wonder if they update this to 600. Okay, well, because it performs a little better, so it performs at 600 megaproof, so it's not 5, it's 6 times currently better. So you need to get 6 AE0 in order to get to this, and obviously you only using 500 watts, which is a lot better efficiency, looks like, right? So 75 a Leo. Well, let's do a quick math on this. It's really not even gonna take in shipment in consideration. Let's say it's 2800. Obviously there's tariffs. Let's just round up to 300, right? The tariff's probably gonna be a lot more if you do that. So if we do 3000, and we're gonna go back here and say it's 75 a Leo per day. Now the network hash rate probably gonna go up again, since the AE0 available at their $800 price originally was 17 or something, right? Or 1800. Let's or 1600. I forgot what it was. Anyways, divide by 75. So looks like it's gonna take. What did I just do? I need to divide by 13. That's my profit after 12. But what I really want to do is get before. Let's just not calculate power here. Also, let's just do assumption that a Leo is currently at where is a Leo sitting at 20 1 cent. Where are you, Leo? Always have it in my list, and looks like right there on top of the list. So it's 19. It actually dropped to 19.4, so it's a little bit under 20 cents now. So that's not really gonna help calculation. But all right, how many Leos we can get for 3000? So we're gonna divide 3000 divided by price of a Leo. Let's round up. So 15,000 a Leo we can get, right? So let's divide 75 a Leo per day. That's going to take about 200 day divided by 30 days. That's about 6.6 months. And we're not taking even in consideration the power consumption, which is low, but still, right? So that's if you're free power. Now, if you really want to take 3000 and just divide by what's the average, $13.21 by 13.21. So after power, like at which my 12 cents, right? So that's gonna take 227 days, which is 7.5 months. So extra months almost, right? Now, will that ROI in 7 months? I don't think so, because the price of a Leo will depend if the price of a Leo gonna go up or not. But at the same time, what happening in the Leo network is all these new miners and gonna still hit the network, and now it's available for sale. So I was expecting this is gonna go down like to maybe 400. So it doesn't make sense really to buy at 7.5 months ROI, and probably in about 2 months this price gonna drop down twice. So let's think if a Leo market, I mean the hash rate gonna keep for let's say for 2 months. Let's say we're gonna have 13.21 a day. We're gonna sell for 60 day. Let's do $14 even. 14 times 60. All right, so 840. What am I doing wrong? So it should ROI in not ROI, but that's I'm calculating actually the price for AE1 light. So you're only gonna mine 800 of it, so this needs to go to $2,000 in 2 months if the network hash rate not gonna go any higher. So if we're looking for AE0, is actually even probably gonna go longer. I start with the wrong miner because this one is not even available. So let's do this. AE0 is actually $2.80 of 24 hours. So let's do that. Let's calculate this one. So we're gonna go and just go 800 even divide by 281. And that's 284 days. That's a little bit even longer, right? And it's a 9.5 months. So 2 months longer ROI than the AE1 light. And another thing in consideration, it's we only can probably, let's say 2 months, right? Let's, if we're lucky, in 2 months the price gonna drop down twice at 281. Multiply times 60. Let's say it's stable, the network hash rate didn't go up. You can only mine $168. So if the price drops to 400, you're pretty much screwed. You're pretty much like $240 down on this ASIC. So I don't know. It's pretty hard to decide. I still want to get one in my collection, but I guess to get collectible, I will just wait. Pretty sure it will go down to around 200. Maybe 400 next, maybe 300. I don't know. We'll see. Time would only tell. But let me know what you think. You guys buying this ASIC or not? But it is available, so that means somebody will probably go ahead and buy them. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. It's just a quick update. We'll see you on the next one. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see ya.